Hello, welcome to Profitolizer. Let us guide you through the process of adding a composition under sales services. Adding a composition under sales in Profitolizer helps you define the components needed to produce a product or service. It ensures accurate costing, streamlines production, improves resource management, and supports better financial planning and profitability analysis. After logging in, go to Sales and select Compositions. On the Composition page, you will see a list of products or services from the Service and Product page. By selecting a service or product, you can add components based on your selection. Click Add Component, then enter the component name and the first period price, which will be reflected on the Cost Forecast page. Next, fill in the unit field based on your product or service. Click Add. You can also generate components with AI by clicking Generate Components. Suggested components will appear, and you can add them by pressing the plus icon. Thank you for watching this video.